Guys, those are preparing for the CAT exam. Yeah, November month is the most important month because the CAT preparation everything. And trust me guys, तुम पहले जितना मर्जी पढ़ लो, whatever you study earlier, November month is the most important month for you people from the studies point of view. But today I want to talk about that you need to have a backup plan as well, because I don't want everything to be focused on CAT. What if CAT doesn't go as expected? What if you get stuck in one question, one RC? The complete section will go for a toss because time is less. Same way it can happen in DI logic as well. So we need to have some backup plan as well. So those are focused on CAT. Yeah, so this video is for them, how to focus on the what all other exams I can focus on along with the CAT exam. So in that case, December month will become the most important month for you people, because all the exams which we're talking about are in the month of December. So CAT is the first main exam we're going to focus on. After that we have the IFTIC exam you can focus on, because 1 week after CAT you will have the IFTIC exam. For that I need to upgrade myself with logic and GK, because these are the two things which is normally not covered in the CAT exam. Then after IFT we'll have SNAP exam and ZAT exam. These are the 4 exams you can target. You can obviously switch up and down between the exam, but these are the exams you can easily target. Okay, so these are 4 exams you can take. CET can be focused on, but CET is going to come in March. So all the Maharashtra based student will be having this exam as their focus. Otherwise the problem is I see that every year, because if you are giving these 4 exams and some of them add NMAT as well into the race, so then what happens that March time is spent on the GDPI. You will not get time to study at all. Yeah, this is a fundamental issue which you have seen every year. Okay, so CAT, IFT, 4 exam you can target. Obviously 4 or 5 exam make no sense. So those who are hell-bent on CAT, those who are focused on CAT, those are scoring good marks also in the CAT mocks and everywhere. So you should target these exams. CAT, IFT, ZAT. These are the 3 main exams. And then SNAP, NMAT, you can choose one. If you have to choose one of them, I'll prefer NMAT, SNAP any day. Because SIBM, ROI point of view, every point of view, I prefer Syndic exam. Alright, so if you want me to add anything, please let me know. So how to adapt, how to change everything, the main thing you have to work on is the logic part. Because logic is totally different for all the non-CAT exam. IFT logic, SNAP logic, NMAT logic, ZAT. ZAT mein they have a decision making a section. So but they are giving you enough time to prepare. Fine. But 1 week time can be less, so you have to start now with the logical thing and grammar vocab. From the quant point of view, from the logic verbal point of view, you have to start with the grammar and vocab as well. So grammar, vocab is something I have to track along with that. Okay. So these are the 4 exams you can easily target. CAT, IFT, ZAT and SNAP or NMAT, one of them. All the best. Alright, if I missed up anything or you want me to cover up anything, please let me know in the comments, and do subscribe to our channel, because I'm going to upload more videos like this in the future. In case you want to join the program for books, mocks, e-classes, the numbers are given here. Call us on any of these numbers given here. All the best.